Hi, it's Mike.
In Microsoft Planner, when you create a task, you can rearrange these just by dragging and dropping. You can also add a new column which is called a bucket, just by clicking Add Bucket. These are useful for different stages of the process of whatever you're doing. Once you've created a new bucket, if something's ready to go across, you just move it across. And if you want to create a new one, just add new bucket, and then you can either add a new task to there, or you can drag across any of these, and you can also rearrange these to whatever order you want.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.